Alright, Juice Junkie Group. We're gonna make copper acetate, and all you need is just some household distilled vinegar, some hydrogen peroxides. What you're gonna do is you're gonna mix 70% of this and 30% of this into a pot. Get it boiling. Once it gets boiling, you're gonna take your solution, put it in like a plastic container like so, and then we're gonna go outside. Alright, so now it's boiling. We're gonna take our solution outside. You pour your solution out into the plastic container. Grab a handful of pennies, toss them in. What this will do, and eventually in a little bit, it'll start bubbling and forming copper acetate. Alright, so about after 10 minutes, got a darker blue solution now. So what I do is, we're going to put it in our glass container. Now we get left with copper acetate. Alright, everybody and Juice Junkies, I'm going to plate this. I was going to plate the AOS top cap, but I don't want to. That's where you vape at. You shouldn't probably copper plate that. So I am going to do the kick ring, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So after your solution is done, you got your acetate, got your copper acetate, like it looks like Kool-Aid. Don't drink that shit though. You get yourself 6-volt DC or 6-volt battery. One part you put on the positive part, you put copper. I put a copper wire, which I've been using already. Okay, you put that in the solution, and for the ground, you're gonna put whatever you're gonna be plating in. So that's all you do. Once you wrap it on, you plug it in, and you give it sit about wait 10 minutes. You should see the copper plating on it. And then we'll go from there. It's been about 10 minutes now, so we're gonna take it out of the solution. And you should get something that looks like this. Looks like copper already. And then we're going to take our steel wool, we're going to clean it off. Then eventually you'll get all the copper plating. If it's not copper plated all the way, what you do is you take it back and put it back into solution and keep replating. The more longer you wait, the more thicker the plate is, and so on and so forth. So after I use the steel wool and clean it up, this is the result you get. Nice, clean, polished, copper plated. Alright, hopefully this was helpful. You guys have a wonderful Christmas.